Bitcoin, February 4th, 2026. Daily update. Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. Price action rising. Dip down November, December, January, now February. February starting with a down candle. This low wick of the February candle hit below the wick of the April candle in 2025. So it's swept the liquidity down here. It got the money down here. The question is, will it rise up from that now that it's got this, or will this be a continuation to the downside? Weekly time frame. Price action went up above the 200 MA, so still overall bullish with higher lows. Higher lows here, higher lows. But then this lows the last higher low, but this one is going lower than this one. So this is showing weakness. And we're getting lower highs as well too. So this going and having space is getting smaller, so showing weakness. We'll see if this holds up, especially after this week. On a daily time frame, price action above the 200 MA, came back down below, showing weakness as 200 MA turns down, showing weakness. So now got lower highs. This low here is got below this low back here, back in April. So this is what I was talking about the weakness. If we don't bounce up soon, we definitely can have bearishness continuing down here to maybe even down here, down to 49,000. Hour time frame. Price action below the 200 MA, showing weakness overall. After this consolidation, we're going to have market news come out today and for the rest of this week. And we'll just keep on pushing this thing, pretty much pushing it down as of this week so far. Let's see if we get a turnaround or not. 15 minute, same thing, weakness under the 200 MA. I like this spike down, and then if this stops here and then goes above the 200 MA, that will show some signs of bullishness, a potential rebound. Let's go for 1 hour, actually back to the 15 minute. Let's see what happens with lines on it, trend lines. Trend line, connecting all the highs. You can see we still got downward momentum, projecting, pushing this price down. We've got one safety line on a monthly that's been keeps on adjusting down. Yesterday was here, another day was here. So this keeps on moving down to the downside, showing weakness. This monthly goes all the way back to here, to this point of October 2023. It's pivoting. Hopefully it doesn't pivot to this part right here, to this monthly. This might be called a yearly line now, if I were to relabel it. So, I'll keep an eye on this on the 15 minute. Go from, see what the heat map is showing. Just going sideways, not much liquidity up and down, so it's going sideways now until probably the news comes out today. 2 news events going to happen today, which will be ADP, non-farm changes, and PMI. And then we'll probably get some type of liquidation going on. Maybe back, hopefully, to the upside. But statistically, it's still down to the downside. And that's the review for today, February 4th, 2026.